How to add videos to your HubSpot content, very easy. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that, so do kindly watch the video till the end. Alright, so once you're at the dashboard, all you need to do, you have to go to marketing and click on email in the main navigation bar. So I'm going to create a test email and then I'll show you how to customize it or add your content. Our email is ready. Now you have to click on that email and it will take few seconds to load, so just wait for it. So once it will load up, just drag this video icon to the page. Just drag video to this section right here and a video section will be added to your page like this. And now you have to change the video type to HubSpot video. Alright, so change video type to HubSpot video so that you can browse the videos from your PC. After that, just create a new folder and click on upload videos right here. So I'm going to add a random video, let's say. I'm going to upload this one. Alright. So once your video uploaded successfully, from now just double click on the video and it will be added to your page like this. And you can also customize the video. You can adjust the width and height of the video by these arrows. And one thing I want to tell you further, that once you click on the video details on this edit button, you can also change the title text. So I'm going to give this as example video. You can also add the description if you want. Let's say dancer boy, and you can also add the tags, but I'm not going to add. Just click on save and your video is ready. Now again click on save and it will be added to your HubSpot content. So this is basically how you can add videos to your HubSpot content. And all for today's video guys. I hope you have learned something new. Thank you so much for watching.